Where are we going now?
Kids Club.
I haven't been to the kids club before, right? I haven't been, right? Only you and Mummy went the last time, right? Is it very good?
Yeah, I can do the Play-Doh.
Oh, you can do the Play-Doh. Okay, let's go.
There's no seatbelt.
That's your life jacket, Jayna.
There's no life jacket.
For you make kids club, sir. On your second. Okay.
Let's go kids club. Where's the kids club?
Up here.
Yeah.
To the kids club.
Yay!
Yeah. Would you like to take your shoes off
Take your shoes off.
and put on the shelf, please?
You can wear the slippers.